Okay, you think this will
Making Italian pasta in Africa.
No, this
Sierra
is
Leone.
not Italian pasta.
It's
This
Italian
is not,
pasta.
This is not Italian.
It's with melanzani,
Concentrate.
garlic and onion. How you cook in Africa?
Yeah.
With charcoal.
Charcoal.
Sierra Leone. How to start a fire
Ready?
in Sierra Leone.
Ready?
Okay.
And the fireplace is ready for cooking. To make pasta in Africa, you need a special bowl that goes on charcoal.
Yeah.
Next step is we put it on charcoal that just goes out. We restart the fire. And the fire restarts. Then we feed the pot into the fire.
Why is it so difficult to get it from?
Restarting the fire.
Okay, now you put this. Don't put more. I think it will start.
Adding burning charcoal.
Burning.
And the fire died again.
It's not dying again.
What will you do? What will you do?
Just wait a minute.
And then I have
Still no fire,
small one.
but we
small,
hope
small boats.
there will be fire.
I saw a small boat. Yes. Okay. How long
So
time it
there's
takes
the boiling
when
water,
it is-
which
how
we'll
long time
cook
it
the
takes
pasta
before
in.
it starts boiling?
Well,
Maybe after
thanks
half
to
hour.
the charcoal.
Get this.
And I don't know what this thing is used for, but it looks like a drum. Oh my god.
This, what's there?
Cooking pasta in Africa. The fire has started, the charcoal is burning, and let's wait for the water to boil. Then we add pasta, and that will be the pasta cooked in Africa. How to boil water in Sierra Leone, Africa. You use charcoal and this special device. Then you put this special pot on, and you have
Do you know
this
this one?
there.
How they call this one?
How do they call it?
This is the coal pots.
Coal
The
pot.
Charcoal, yeah.
Charcoal
This is
pot.
Charcoal pots.
Okay, so you use the charcoal pot.
Yes.
You put the charcoal inside, and you boil the water.
Sure. Ethiopia.
Cooking in Africa.
No, it's
The
okay.
rice, the boiling water.
Okay. You see?
Ah.
And the
very
sauce.
Okay.
Okay.
You have the oil here?
Okay, well, yes. So let me.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please do that so that we get the water.
Boiling water
Okay.
in Africa,
Let's see.
Sierra Leone.
Where it could be.
We add onions and garlic and some eggplants. We add I'm the cooking inspector, so yeah.
That's good.
Eggplants, onions, and garlic.
Wow. My fingers.
Adding the eggplant, the garlic, and the onions to the pot, and we see what happens. So the 2-second rule, if there's two seconds on the ground, it's still eatable. So the pasta is 2 seconds on the ground. But no, it's okay. If you boil it, it will be still eatable, I think. I hope. Otherwise, we die tomorrow.
There's a lot of chicken.
Otherwise, we die.
Okay, let me put water.
Making the sauce.
Yeah?
Adding the water to the sauce.
Yeah, wait. Ah, it's so the one. Yeah.
No, it's gonna wash up.
Huh? You think
The
you
fire
cannot use
in
that?
full effect
I want to wash it first.
to cook.
Ah, okay, but you.
Adding the tomato paste to the sauce.
Yeah, a bit.
The sauce almost finished.
Yeah. Worcester.
The pasta has finished boiling. Now we have to drain it. Mr. Vandi is washing our pot. So let's hope it will be clean. Mr. Vandi washing the dishes for our pasta. The pasta being drained. So we have the pasta there. And now just we have to mix it with a sauce and the pasta will be done.
Actually, this is.
Adding the sauce to pasta and we will be ready to eat the pasta. From Africa, European recipe. If it's not good, I will eat the chicken. Hello, chicky. And the finished product. The sauce smells very nice. And the pasta. The finished product, pasta a la eggplants. Mix eggplant pasta in Sierra Leone for the first time.
Al dente.
Al dente.